Total solutions for any mix, any volume. All managed by Panasim Enterprise Edition. Panasonic. Total solutions beyond SMT.
Welcome to Rehm Thermal Systems here at SMT Nuremberg. I'm joined by Michael Hankey, who's the Chief Customer Officer. Welcome, Michael.
Welcome. Thank you.
It's an interesting title, by the way. So, Chief Customer Officer, meaning you have a lot of focus on customer care, I assume.
Yes, we are focused on our customers, on our partners. We call it partners because it's very important to get in direct contact with them. Also technology-wise, we are the technology leader in the reflow technology globally, and we are highly interested about our new trends and new markets. Nowadays, it's very, very important, the vacuum process. The vacuum process mostly used nowadays in the automotive industry. Why? Safety issues. That means also they cannot accept if a brake fails. And to avoid this, we must reduce also in our solder joints the voiding with our vacuum technology. Vacuum technology is a proven technology since over 15 years at Rehm, and we integrated this vacuum technology also in our standard reflow process.
Now, voiding is a huge issue in the industry, and there's a number of different approaches to it. You know, you've got some companies that are using flux chemistries to improve it. Others are using vacuum. Some are using pressure, and some are even using frequency systems. Why do you think that vacuum is the best option?
The point is, this is a repeatable process, all the time with the same result. To only suck out the voiding, to reduce the voiding dramatically, there gives only one solution. The solution is vacuum. Yeah? How you can be sure that all voids are out of the solder joint when you start with shaking the solder joint, or you use a different chemistry. Yeah? With the vacuum, you can suck out all the bubbles. And this is our result where we can guarantee less than 2% voiding.
Okay, so you're literally getting rid of 98% of the voids to less than 2%.
Yes, that is true.
That's wonderful.
Yeah.
So, Michael, you've also got some other technologies on the booth that we want to look at today. The next one, of course, is the condenser system, which is for the vapor phase system.
Vapor phase technology that we have longer than 15 years. Also there we have the vacuum technology. The vacuum technology also to reduce this voiding for complex boards, for heavy boards, mostly used also in the power electronics. That is nowadays all the time in the press, also with the new electronic drive technology that rises up dramatically the last time. And therefore we have also here present our new Condenser XC, a compact smart system that gives the customer the allowance also to start with a small machine. To evaluate the process, and we can also go up with the same process to an inline system that Rehm also present with the Condenser X line.
Interesting. So basically, for the heavier, more complex boards, it's a better option to use the vapor phase.
Yes.
Yeah. Now, it used to be years ago that vapor phase was it got very expensive and it wasn't particularly safe to handle. How does your condenser system address that?
And in this case, we have a closed system, so that means all the time the product is in a closed chamber. That is not open. This is the one fact. Second point is also is in a fixed position, no movement during also the process. So to avoid also disalignment of the products or falling down of the components, we have not this issue there. And important is also that heavy boards that we use, for example, in power electronics, are heated up in the same way as also small parts. The technology is with the Galden. We inject the Galden, a material that transfers the heat to each component on the same way.
Yes. Okay. Great. So moving on to another part of the booth, we're looking at, you've got a solution for conformal coating for LEDs. Yes. Tell us a little bit about that and how you've approached it.
Yes, we have here our conformal coating system, the protector line. This is a flexible system up to 4 applicators, then can run parallel, high flexibility, easy operation with a Windows-based software. The software is also developed from Rehm, very simple and easy to operate. And you have also on the backlight picture of the board. where you can easily form your diagram, your selective coating dimensions. And we offer also the complete line, new, with the dryer. It's an UV dryer with LED lamps. Right. So we are the first here that offers also LED lamps in an UV dryer. Mm-hmm. Yeah. It's have a much longer lifetime of the lamps. Yes. And this gives the big advantage also to save the cost and have a high availability of the complete line.
Yeah, I mean, it's absolutely critical the amount of exposure time that you expose the LED to with the curing system for the life of the coating and for basically the color.
Yes, the point is also that an UV dryer has the smallest footprint. This is also very important, and you have also a safe process compared also with this new materials from different suppliers, UV material, and this gives also the big benefit also to have a proven process, shortest footprint, compared also with this LED drying process, LED UVs, yeah, that we have also here in a complete line solution.
Are you working with a specific coating partner, or do you work with any of the coating companies?
We have the suppliers are the well known in the market, and we use also this high quality that our partners are known from us, from our machines, that we have it also from our suppliers, yes.
So finally, Michael, I want to talk about the thermal chambers you have at the end of the stand here. They cycle boards to low temperatures and to high temperatures for testing. Can you tell us a bit about your system?
Our system, Securo minus, means to be sure that the product achieves also the lifetime. We have also here the possibility to cool down the product to minus 55 degrees Celsius to guarantee the whole lifetime, and the product stays there also longer than 1 hour or 2 hours. It's customized from the product, from the customer, and they have the possibility that we have a lot of parts, a lot of products in our buffer system, yeah, without icing. Without icing, this is the big benefit, yeah. So you have no maintenance there, and the chamber avoids the icing with using nitrogen or dry air.
What sort of capacity does the chamber have?
The capacity depends of the dimension of the product for sure, but the capacity of around 1,000 products, it's normal.
And the cycle time?
Cycle time, every 15 seconds you can load and unload a part, and that means also we can integrate the system also to an automatically robot system, fully prepared also for Industrial 4.0. 4.0 means also all our systems have also this possibility. Yeah, talk directly with the product, intelligent systems, who gives also the information back to the product.
So, Securo is the one that deals with the lower temperatures.
Yes.
For the higher temperatures, what range do you go to?
We go up to 120 degrees Celsius with our Securo Plus, yeah, where we can guaranteed also a stable process 120 degrees, 125 degrees, also with the same buffer system, so that means also around 1,000 products. Same cycle time, every 15 seconds, loading and unloading, integrated, very flexible as an inline solution or an ISO solution with a robot system.
And each time between cycling, I guess it returns it to room temperature before it goes to
yes,
from hot to cold.
Yes, this is possible. It's customized, relevant, yeah. And from each process, you can also control all the time the information, get back also the functionality of each product.
Well, Michael, lots of technology here, and it's great to have a look around the stand today. So thank you for joining us.
Thank you very much.